Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure health records with MyChart, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the MyChart website. Log in using your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, locate the Health Records tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Health Records tab to access your health information. Review the overview of your health records presented to you. To configure your health records, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to enter the configuration menu. In the settings menu, find the option labeled Health Record Preferences. Select Health Record Preferences to adjust how your records are. Here, you can choose which types of health records you want to include. Options may include lab results, immunizations, medications, and more. Make your selections based on your preferences by checking the appropriate boxes. After making your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to apply your preferences. Return to the main Health Records section to see your updated configuration. You can also set up notifications for when new records are added. To enable notifications, click on the Notifications settings within the menu. Select your preferred notification method, such as email or text messages. After setting up notifications, be sure to save your changes. To view specific health records, click on any category within the Health Records section. This will take you to a detailed view of your selected health records. If you need to share your records, look for the Share option in the menu. Follow the prompts to securely share your health information with designated individuals. Explore additional features available, such as requesting prescription refills or scheduling appointments directly from your records. Feel free to log out when you finish to secure your account. Review your configurations periodically to ensure everything remains accurate and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.